Have you ever wondered what it is that makes lighting good in a video? Well, if you have, stay tuned because that's what we're going to be talking about coming up. Hi, I'm Demelza Marie with Creative Online Courses, and I have over 15 years experience in video production. Now, if you want to improve your video so that you can increase your watch time, professional credibility, and feel good about your production quality, then check out my free 30-minute masterclass where I'll give you 10 top tips that you can implement for your videos right away. So don't be held back by lack of production know-how. These easy tips will propel you forward whatever kind of videos you plan to make. Get access to your free masterclass right here. Hi, Demelza Marie here with Creative Online Courses, and on this channel I guide you through tips and tutorials to crush it with visual media and produce your online courses like a boss. I also go behind the scenes with a vlog of what it's like to be a mum entrepreneur, so if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Now, as I mentioned in the introduction, we are going to be looking at what it is that makes the lighting good in a video. When it comes to good video lighting, there's really one main thing that you need to think about, and that is making sure that the subject is well lit. So in this case, I am the subject, and I am currently being lit by a window actually, and also a ring light. So I'm using both at the moment. So in effect, I have the ring light almost like a main light, and then the window light is a fill light to kind of back that up. You could also use a 3-point lighting setup, which would basically be a key light or a main light, so that I could put that there, for example, and that would light up my face, most of it, but leave part of it in shadow. Now, we don't want harsh shadows when we are filming either, because that could be distracting. So we would then use a fill light on this side to fill in those shadows so that they're not quite as harsh. And then we would also use a hair light to separate us from the background. So those would be the 3-point lighting setup. The other thing you want to think about is using diffused light. So in this case, when I'm using studio lighting, I've got diffusing panels on them, or diffuser material, so that the light isn't quite as harsh on my face. And if you're outside, then I would avoid shooting in direct sunlight, because that causes horrible shadows on your face and causes you to squint and all that kind of thing. Shoot in the shade, because that gives a nice even lighting on your face. So I hope that was helpful as you're thinking about lighting your videos. Let me know in the comment section below what was your biggest takeaway. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in more tips and tutorials on visual media or producing online courses, or what it's like behind the scenes of a mum building a business, then be sure to subscribe, and you can watch a couple more videos right here as well. And please hit that like button if you like this video, and we will talk soon.